Just a short video. Just to thank you for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. That's a massive thing for me. That didn't think I'd get to 1,000. I've had this channel for years, but didn't really use it much. Apart from like doing the odd gig and did a couple of things off FIFA and all that stuff. But couple of years ago, my dad died, and I decided to get out in the mountains and that, and I decided to film all the mountains I did. I did quite a few, so as you can look back, I'll look at them. I talk shite normally. Info's not very good because I wasn't very good at picking mountains out. I was like pointing at certain ones, so I'm totally wrong on that. But I've learned as I go on, and these days I know certain ones now. Anyway, talking bullshit again. Anyway, it's not just mountains I do. I decided to do more Newcastle United ones as well. Been doing videos for years, but I've picked it up a little bit more recently. I tend to do pre-match flags, the war flags, all the displays and that. Fans singing. Sometimes I get the players coming in and say certain like things, like I see the fans singing and all the players warming up before the game, and then during the game I try not to get the players playing because it's copyright stuff and that. But a bit naughty if I catch anything, might catch the odd goal, but get the fans singing all the songs and all that. It's good atmosphere and that. And at the end of the game, if one players come around the pitch and I do all that stuff, I film the match. I have players come around the pitch, team up the atmosphere and all the fans singing and that. But also, it's not just that as well. I've got multiple things I do on each channel. It's not just sticking to one thing. People like the hiking and some like the Newcastle United stuff. I also do a lot of cycling as well. Well, not so much these days, just lost interest a little bit, but I will pick it up again. But normally head down the coast and that. But I'm planning on getting on the bike in the Lake District as well. Eventually, I've got a car, and the bikes fit in easy, and to the bikes, do a bit of cycling in the lakes as well, but also down the coast as well. Where I've been recently. I've done North Shields and that, Whitley Bay and that, South Shields, etc. down the coast. And then I do a lot of I go to a lot of gigs as well, and people might think that's a bit wrong, like filming gigs. You don't go for that, but sometimes I do for the memories and something to look back at. And every time I get a comment on my music ones, it's all, oh, thanks for uploading, I haven't been able to go, and it's great to see that. So yeah, so that's what the channel's all about. And I've got a drone as well, and I sometimes do some drone footage. I'm still learning. I'm not the best at it yet, but I am learning all the time. I don't really get out that much with it, to be honest, but I should really get to more places with it as well. So in the summer I've got 2 weeks off soon, so maybe I'll do something like that then. So anyway, thank you for people who's been in it, Andre and Jake as well. And then I've got plans to go back to lakes again, do some more hikes, do some more mountains. Count the Wainwrights, I've done 30 so far. Be nice if I do them all, but I'm not holding my breath for that one. I'll just try and do as much as I can. And I've got a new tent as well, so we do some camping as well. Got the Berghaus Campground 3, which is nice. I haven't tried it out yet. I haven't actually been out with it yet, but I will be in the next couple of weeks when I'm off work. Right. Gonna go to the Northumberland coast and then try and get across the lakes as well. And bought a new car as well, and that's big enough to do a bit of car camping as well, so I'll be doing some of that as well. Still need the equipment to go in the tent on the car to do that, so eventually I will. So again, 1,000 subscribers, thank you very much. Hopefully it'll continue to grow. I'll just see if I can grow this channel a bit more. If I can. Get me bike more, get some walks done, low level, high level, and that. Oh. Are you coming?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Yep. She's playing her games, I think, on her phone. So, yeah. More plans in the mountains as well. I've just said that, haven't I? So, see you more than again, talking shite. So again, thank you very much. Look forward to the next one. My aim is 5 million subscribers. Joke. Be nice though. Right, so thank you very much. I'll see you on my next adventures, which could be this Saturday, which I'm thinking about going to lakes and to do a mountain. I don't know which one yet, but it could be in the Grasmere area for a certain reason. A certain gingerbread shop I fancy going to. So I might do a mountain near there. Right. So thanks again. See you on my next video. Bye bye.